Hi everyone, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Just a couple of hours ago I have received a package that I have been awaiting eagerly from Supernote, and that is the Supernote A6X with the Lamy pen. Pretty cool. I really loved the original Supernote A6 and I still love it, so I've been very eager to actually have an opportunity to test out the A6X, which is supposed to be faster, run a new Android-based type of system, and lots of goodies like that. So let's first unbox it, get the first impressions, and then in the next video we'll do the in-depth review. Here it is, and Ratta have sent me the Lamy package. So this one comes with the Lamy pen, which is awesome. And at first I was kind of confused because it says Lamy at Supernote, but I guess they partnered up or something because it's a double package. So it's Supernote A6X, the new version, with the pen Lamy AL Star Black EMR. The box is quite nice, fairly straightforward. For those who write, not just a pen. For those who write, not just a pen. All right, I think we got it. So let's open up carefully. There we go. All right. And how does this open up? I should just slide it up, I guess. All right, so finally slid up, and let's reveal. Ta-da! Hey, it comes with a flip book as well. Sweet. Very similar to the A6, but different front material, of course. This is more like a paperback and like a notebook. Pretty cool. Then we have the device itself. Then we have the Lamy pen, a Supernote USB-C cable, warranty card, quick start guide, stickers, and 2 extra nibs, and the awful tool for removing like it was with the Remarkable One. However, yeah, it's good to have it at least. The quick start guide is nice and short and sweet. How to assemble it, and the basic list of specifications, omitting the information about the CPU, but the CPU I think is dual core 1 GHz. So Supernote is a 7.8-inch monochrome digital paper display, which sports the resolution of 1872 by 1404 using e-ink Carta display at 300 dpi or PPI. The major difference with A6X is of course specifications, RAM, more RAM and bigger CPU, but also that it's running a different OS, which is now based on Android, and it's called Chave. We have 4096 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, 2900 milliamp battery, and then in many languages, no magnets. And here's the contents of the box. You get the device, you get the flip book cover thingy, you get the USB-C charge cable, you get the Lamy pen, you get 2 extra nibs, tool to exchange the nibs, and a quick start warranty and some stickers to go along with it all. Very complete, because you don't need to buy anything extra. Once you have this, you're fully equipped and you have a little bit of extra nibs to spare. So pretty awesome. Let's now unpack the device. It just slides out, and here it is. And the first impression is I would be very hard pressed to actually differentiate between the Supernote A6 and A6X. I think that they're using pretty much identical exterior. Let me check. Yeah, they are identical. Which one's which, hey? So this one's A6X and this one is A6. And as you can see, they are exactly the same design, the same dimensions, exactly the same thickness. Same on the back as well. There's no even indication if it's a different unit or not. So pretty much exactly the same type of device. So you can see that so this is the old A6 that I had from before, and you can see that it does have that slight bend. Let's see if that's present on the A6X as well. Almost no, but yeah, there is. I think it looks like there is some kind of a small imperfections here, and definitely when I look at it I can see a little bit of a bendiness here and there. And let's see if that's consistent on the other side. Kind of. So it's not something that's gonna ruin anything, but it is definitely the consequence of the design itself. So the plastic all-round plastic construction is prone to these imperfections. This is nothing huge, but it is something that's consistent, and it's pretty much the same thing that I've witnessed on the A6 as well. That being said, I've had A6 for a while now, and yeah, it didn't bend any further, it didn't do anything bad, it's just, yeah, slight imperfections, but that's pretty much it. What to say about the design that I haven't said about A6 before? Well, nothing. Obviously, it's exactly the same. Oh, there is a difference. Ha! You can actually differentiate them. A6X has these little two guys next to the power button, A6 does not. Haha, we have a difference. It feels good in the hand. This is a format that I absolutely love, and that's one of the things about Supernote A6 that I truly love. It just feels like a notebook that you take out and you start writing on. So, same layout, power button on the top, hover slot on the back, USB-C port on the bottom, and nothing on either of the sides. Alright, let's do the first time power up and see what's what. Of course, this is not a front lit device, so no front light or anything like that. Alright, we're going there. Let's hook up to a network, and this time we have 5 GHz network supported as well. That's pretty cool. Well, this is a bit weird because I can't get my keyboard to appear. The refresh works. There's no menu, but I can't get the keyboard to appear. Screen is very responsive and very sharp, but let's go. Can I go back? Yeah, okay, let's see what's going on here. All right. Okay, let's create a new note, and we have a new notebook, and let's see what tools we have inside. And for that I'm gonna start using the pen. Oh, it has a button, nice. So let's check what are the tools. We have pen, eraser, undo, redo, note menu, hand, touch, full screen, okay. And then we have fine point, ink pen, marker, layers, 4 layers. And only the main layer supports title and keyword. Okay. All right, so this is a guide that basically introduces everything. All right, so let's add a template. Let's say small 8mm ruled line. And already I can see that the device is way more snappier than the A6. So obviously an improvement here. So let's start writing and see what it feels like. Very snappy and very cool indeed. So let's try the other pen. Maybe a bit of a more of a thickness, and the button works on Lamy, so you can just switch it to an eraser. Let's add thickness here. So okay, this feels really good, but I'm gonna try it now with the other pen as well, so that I can have a consistent type of experience, because maybe it's all due to the pen. Let's see. No, definitely a much better experience as far as I remember, and you can already see that Lamy pen is way more sensitive and it gives you a lot more control. So I really do like the traditional ceramic pen, which never spends, but this one is really awesome, like properly comfortable and easy to use, and just is very nicely balanced and made. The first impressions regarding A6X is that it feels a lot faster. The operations and the writing, it feels a lot faster regardless of which pen is used. However, the Lamy pen, this is the first time I'm using it, it really rocks. So this is a properly good pen. Everything else feels very similar to the A6. However, I'm gonna leave all of that for the in-depth review. For now, let's assemble it into the case and see how the whole package looks like, feels like, etc. So this is the cover that came with the Lamy version of the A6X, and this is a unique design that's unique basically to Supernote. This lovely little slot that locks into the device, goes through the back here, and over here it locks and keeps the device safe. So you simply align this rail to go inside, and then you gently slide the device in, push past the first click, and then lock it into place. So same system as before, and it works very nicely. The design is, oh, it has auto wake up. Haha, sweet. Even this simple one has an automatic wake up. So let's see if it works. Yeah, and it's extremely snappy. So close. Let's peek inside and see, is it sleeping? Yes, it is. And this one should fit on the side. Should it fit like this or how? I guess I need to kind of make it rounder here so that it fits in here. And bam, no. Should it be like this? That's dumb. All right, pen. Where do I put the pen? No. Now I'm feeling properly dumb. Dumb. Let's see. Okay, so it can fit. It's just a very tight fit the very first time. And then you can just bzzz, and then I'm done. Pom. Awesomeness. I love the package. That's one of the things that I absolutely loved about A6, the overall package and the experience of using this format and this device. And it's exactly the same as before. And that's something, I think that's a good thing. I'm gonna be testing out the device further on and then see how it performs. And after the review, I'm gonna be doing the comparison between the A6X and the A6. Well, this little guy, I don't know, I mean, it charms me every single time. So overall, first impressions, I love the fact that they've retained the awesome format of the A6, that is just a notebook that you open up and you use for writing. I love the addition of the Lamy pen. As I mentioned, I've never used it before, and boy oh boy, it feels extremely good, like properly good. As a whole package, the first impressions are great. I especially appreciate the fact that once once you get this box, you get pretty much everything that you might need to get you going to wean off paper and just start using this package as your notebook. So first impressions, great. Build quality, we'll see, but in the original Supernote A6 it was also but it never actually amounted to anything. There weren't any consequences from that little bend and stuff like that. We'll see if the same story is with the A6X. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please like and subscribe and ding-a-dong the bell thingies for notifications for new videos. And also, if you like what I do, consider supporting the mydeepguide via the Patreon, because mydeepguide is now on Patreon as well. The supporters there, or Patreons, will have access to behind-the-scenes type of videos which actually shed some light on how the videos are being made, and some kind of bloggy, vloggy style of work for those who are interested. Thank you so much for watching and for the support, and see you next time. Bye!